So let's discuss first savings, long-term savings. Here is our best-selling product right now sa AIA. Kalahati ng sales ng AIA is from this product. Kasi savings, pag-iipon, tamang discipline, 'di ba? At least hindi uubusin lang din natin yung pera natin. Saving for the rainy days, for the long term, kailangan natin yan. So this product is called AIA Plus Signature. I have a more in-depth product discussion about this in my other video. You can check it. But let's run through it right now. It's a limited pay endowment plan na nagbibigay ng tatlong guarantee. Guaranteed cash payout, guaranteed 200% yung life insurance mo, and then guaranteed payment period. Yun yung gusto natin. Hindi ito VUL. This is not an investment. This is a long-term savings plan. Ano yung feature niya? No, to summarize it, it gives a guaranteed payout every 2 years starting at the end of year 6, after 6 years. Right? For the rest of your life, or for the rest of the life of the insured, every 2 years mag-payout siya, starting on the 6 years from now. Yung payment equivalent niya is 10% ng face amount. Kung kumuha ka ng 1 million na face amount, 10% of that, 100,000, yun ang payout every 2 years. Alright? And then the life insurance coverage naman is 2 times the face amount. Kung 1 million ang face amount, 2 million ang life insurance coverage. So 2 million every 1 million face amount. Meron siyang guaranteed paying period. 5 years to pay, 10 years to pay, or 20 years to pay. So tatlo yan. After paying, guaranteed na yung coverage, guaranteed na yung insurance, guaranteed yung payout up to age 100 or until you're alive. Alright, meron siyang mga optional riders. Pwede mo lagyan ng total and permanent disability in case of total and permanent disability nga. Kailangan lagyan ng personal accident. Pwedeng lagyan ng personal accident insurance or in case of accidental death. Pwedeng lagyan ng payer's term benefit kung iba yung payer sa insured. Kunyari, anak mo yung insured. And of course, payer's benefit on death and disability. Kunyari, yun, may nangyari sa owner, yung parents yung owner, tapos yung insured yung anak. Di ba? Para fully paid na yung plan niya, ma-waive na yung future premiums niya. Pwedeng lagyan ng ganun kung yung anak is minor pa. So magkano yan, DJ? Alright, for a 37-year-old male, 130,000 lang, no, 138.50. Right? So meron ka ng 1 million na face amount, which is yung payout is 100,000. Tapos 1 million na total and permanent disability, 1 million na personal accident insurance. So 130,000 for 20 years to pay. Mag-i-start yung payout 6 years from now, every 2 years for the rest of my life. So kung 37 ako, hanggang 57 ako magbabayad, pero beyond 57 may marireceive ako. And then in case of death of the insured, the 2 million gets paid to my beneficiaries or to your beneficiaries. Alright? So kung 10 years to pay yan, tapos ang insured mo naman, pwede kasi yung anak yung insured. Let's say, ang anak is 3 years old, the owner is 37 years old, 10 years to pay lang, instead of 130,000 times 2, which is 260, ito po 213,000 lang. 213,000 for 10 years na lang ang aga matapos. Ika 6th year, starting at the end of 6 years, magbabayad na, makaka-receive ka na ng 100,000 every 2 years for the rest of the life nung anak mo. Alright? So imagine, no, tignan natin, if 3 years old yung insured, sa 213,000 per year, right, face amount of 1 million, yung payout 100,000 every 2 years as starting at the end of year 6. So kung 3 years old yung bata, hanggang mag-start siya ng age 9 niya, age 11, age 13, hanggang age 81. So let's say namatay ng age 82 yung bata. Magkakaroon ng 37 payouts yon from age 9 to age 81. Compute nyo na lang. So 100,000 times 37, that's 3.7 million na payout. And then, upon death of the insured, nung bata, tumanda na siya, may 2 million na makukuha yung apo niya. So imagine, tatlong generations na nag-benefit. Ikaw muna as owner, ikaw yung magkinabang ng pera. Upon death of the owner, matatransfer yung ownership dun sa insured, which is the bata, na by that time, maybe retiring na rin siya, or malapit na siya mag-retire, makikinabang siya. Upon death of the insured, yung anak, which is apo mo na, makikinabang din, probably even apo mo sa tuhod, kasi apo niya, makikinabang nung payout na yon. So the total payout is 5.7, total benefits is 5.7 million. Ang naibayad lang na premium is 2.1 million. So more than double of the money invested yung bumalik sa family nyo, sa buong clan ninyo. Di ba maganda tong pamana, pampalaki ng pera talaga lalo. So, A plus signature, ang maganda dito, we have a lower minimum fees amount. The minimum fees amount is just 250,000 lang. Ang payout niya 10%, which is 25,000. So, magkano yun? I checked for a 38 years old yung female, 4 years old yung anak na male, 33,530 lang a year, or just about 3,000 a month. Meron ka ng 25,000 payout starting at the end of year 6 for the rest of the life of nung anak mo. So kung 4 years old lang yung anak mo, 6 years from now, 10 pa lang siya, magagamit mo yung pera habang elementary, pag nag-high school, nag-senior high, nag-college, maybe nag-postgraduate, nag-doktor, nag-MBA, magagamit mo pa rin. After graduation, ikaw naman as the owner yung makakagamit ng pera. So ganun kaganda yung A plus signature and then ipapamamana mo siya. Alright? This also has non-guaranteed dividends pero bonus na lang yun wherein you can leave to accumulate interest. So ganun kaganda yung product na A plus signature.